Alright, welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Today we're going to get started on cleaning out the duck coop, or as Nicole calls it, the duck den. And we're going to, let me just show you what it looks like. So it's just all dirt. Got the spool. Then I broke the pool yesterday cleaning it out because, as you guys see in the other episode, put the drain valve on the side of the pool and it wouldn't drain at all. So I'd have to pick up the pool and rinse out all the mud. So therefore it broke. So right now I just got a spare one put in there. Here, let's go in there and check it out. Got my rad latches going on. You kick one with your foot, one with your hand. So, you guys see how muddy it is in here. It's just super muddy everywhere. That pool is sitting in another pool, and I can't drain it. So my plan is to shove all the dirt over this way to this corner, and then we went down and we took a bunch of sand out of the dry riverbed down there, which I forgot to record. So I'll show you guys the rest, and we're just gonna pack it up and figure out something different with the pool. So I'll see you in the process. All right, here's step one in the progress. We'll try and get that spool out of here. Out. Hope this comes out. All right, here we go. Diesel out of here. Get out of here. Go. Roll out like this. I'm hoping it's gonna roll out like this. Oh, it's nasty. So this thing might not come out at all. I don't know. I want to fall in here. Alright, well, that's not coming out. So, let's just close this. Oh, shit, that ain't gonna work either. Gotta move this dirt. That ain't gonna work. As you can tell, I got all these rakes out. I don't know which one's gonna work. I've never done this before. Oh yeah, look at it. Man, that's a lot of poop. Woo, this fucking stinks. She's probably wearing a mask, maybe. All right, well, I tried to lift that water up and pour it out, and it ain't gonna work, so therefore, you know, gotta pull out the old pump. I hear it. There we go. We're draining out that drain. As you can see, it don't all drain. Whew. And all the mud that comes in the pond there, because it's just mud everywhere. So I got a bunch of sand we're gonna put in it. So I broke the other pool. Luckily I didn't break this one. This one ripped from doing this. This time, I'm gonna put the drain right in the middle and lift the pool up a little bit. Gotta get all this water out because I gotta unscrew that valve right there. There's the hole I put in here. Right there, see I ripped it. I ripped out one of these circles, didn't make it. Okay, I glued this sucker on. Let's see if we can get it off. Whew. Looks like a farm in here. Oh, well. Broke that sucker. I never wanted it to come off, so guess it did its job. Hey, why are you chewing on my rake? You like the paper? Hey, if anybody watching this got any suggestions to put in here for the ducks to make them more happy, man, please feel free to leave me a comment so I know, because like I said, I'm pretty new at this and we're learning as we go, so any helpful hints, we'll take them. Well, that didn't work either. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to break out the Sawzall. There we go. Phew. Well, I wasn't planning on getting that dirty, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Bet you we could find some worms. Maybe. Oh, jackpot. Yeah, check it out. Look where we're getting these from. I mean, they're just in the wall. I'm gonna go like this. Look at that one right there. Oh, right there. Bam, nailed it. so many they're hanging off the shovel. Just making more work for myself, but happier ducks. Gonna need some water, I know. Alright, I gotta run in the house real quick. I got mud on my boots. So instead of taking off my boots, I'm gonna make some homemade mud protectors. See what we got going on here. Took off my jacket and I was wearing a good shirt. So I want to go change my shirt so I don't wreck my good one. You know, USA fishing all the way. Probably just knocked the light out, but they seem to be working just great. Well, as you can see, my boots worked, plastic bags worked. This is probably why I should invest into some cowboy boots so I can just slip them on and slip them off. Better save those in case I need to go back in the house. See, I changed my shirt, just put on a regular old work shirt. All right, I dug out the pipe. Now we're gonna cut it off, pull it out, do some more work in there. Oh, look at that. All right, let's try that again. Well, for some reason, this stupid Harbor Freight, that's why I call it garbage freight, Sawzall won't stay in. Get what you pay for. All right, so let's try this again for the third, fifth time. It looks like this is it. Let's try it this way. Alright, maybe it only goes in one way. Alright, well, we all learned something new. You buy a Harbor Freight Sawzall, looks like the blade's only going in one way. So, alright, see you on the next step. I just walked by the pond. We got a lily flower out. I just want to show it off because they don't stay very long. Pretty cool. We got some red ones over there gonna come up. And down here, we got a purple one. They probably won't come up till the middle of summer or next year. But like this. There's my fish. I can only keep one butterfly koi in there. Must be a territory thing, because every time I get two, one of them always dies. Must be territory, not sure. But we'll be back. So we've moved all the dirt, covered that up. Tomorrow we're gonna do that. Oh, good idea, buddy, good idea. Wash your hands off in there. All right, all right. Sweet, all right. Well, we'll probably see you guys tomorrow because it's dinner time. I have a headache and I'm hungry and I'm dirty. I need to take a shower, wash off all this duck poop. And so, yeah, so pretty much, I'm pretty sure I'll see you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Because we always got something going on around here. You just never know what it may be. Thanks for watching.